Hello everyone, magandang buhay sa lahat. Welcome na welcome po kayo dito sa aking Mathematics Tagalog tutorial. Sa video na ito ay papaliwanag ko po sa inyo about conversion of units of length, weight, and capacity from metric system to English system and vice versa. So pag sinabi natin vice versa, from English system to metric system. So paano nga po ba mag-convert? Papaliwanag ko po yan sa inyo step by step. Okay, so let's start. Unahin po natin ang units of length. So ito po yung conversion table for the units of length from English system to metric system and vice versa. So we have 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeter, 1 foot is equal to 30.48 centimeter, 1 yard is equal to 0.91 meter, and 1 mile is equal to 1.6 kilometer. Okay, so notice ito pong naunang ito po yung tinatawag nating units ng English system at ito naman pong nandito sa may right, ito po yung mga metric system na units. Okay, paano nga po ba mag-convert? So let's start with this number 1 example. Convert 4 inches to centimeters. So how many centimeters are there in 4 inches? Okay, so first, kunin po natin yung ating given 4 inches. And then, ang gagawin po natin para po dun sa English system, nagamit po tayo ng conversion factor. Okay, paano po yon? Tingnan po natin kung meron pong direct conversion from inches to centimeter or centimeter to inches. Okay, meron po bang partner ang inches at centimeter? Meron po, ito pong first. 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeter. So, ang gagawin lang po natin dito, gagawin po natin itong fraction, itong 1 inch and 2.54 centimeter. Okay, so para gawin po yan na fraction, yung isa ay numerator at yung isa ay denominator. But take note, ang gagawin po nating denominator, ayun pong may unit ng inches kasi ang inches po ay given. So dapat yung inches ay nasa denominator at yung centimeter ay nasa numerator. Okay, ganun po yung uh, pagpa-fraction natin. Ano po? Okay, so ang purpose nun, okay, we can cancel inches in inches here. Okay? Nasa numerator ito at nasa denominator. Okay? And ito po ay multiplication. Then, just multiply numerators. 4 times 2.54 centimeter. Okay, this will become 4 times 2.54 centimeter divided by 1. So, 1 na lang po ang natitira sa denominator. And then, just multiply what is 4 times 2.54 cm. That is equal to 10.16 centimeter. Okay? So therefore, 4 inches is equal to 10.16 centimeter. Okay, so how about this number 2 example? How many meters are there in 5 yards? Okay, so ang given po ay 5 yards. Iko-convert po natin into meters. So ilagay po sa baba. 5 yards is equal to how many meters? So tingnan po natin kung meron pong direct na conversion from meter to yard. Okay, meter and yard. Foot, cm, yard, meter. Okay, meron po. 1 yard is equal to 0.91 meter. Okay, bilugan ko. Okay, ito po yan. Okay, 1 yard is equal to 0.91 meters. Okay, again, ito pong partner na ito ay gawin po ulit natin na fraction. Okay? So, ano po ang nasa denominator? Since ang given po ay yard, 5 yards, so itong 1 yard, denominator, ito mong 0.91 meter, numerator. Okay? So, gawin po natin yan. So that, okay, yard yung given at yard po yung denominator, we can cancel yard. Okay? And then, multiply po natin 5 times 0.91 meter. Okay? Divided by 1. Okay? So, here, multiply natin 5 times 0.91 meter. That is equal to 4.55 meters. Okay? So, divide by 1 po yan. So, any number divided by 1 is equal to the number. Okay? So, we have now 5 yards is equal to 4.55 meters. Okay, for number 3 example, how many inches are there in 5 feet? Okay, ko-convert natin from 5 feet going to inches. Okay, so mula po dito sa ating conversion table, tingnan po natin kung meron pong direct na conversion from feet to inches. Okay, 1 foot, cm, 1 inch, cm, 1 yard, meter, mile, kilometer. So wala po. So walang direct na conversion from feet to inches. Okay, pero tignan po natin. Ang given natin ay feet. Ito po, meron po tayong feet, 1 feet, then cm. Pero meron po tayo dito cm to inches. So bali magiging dalawa po. Ganito po 'yon. Gawin natin. From foot, gawin po nating cm, and then from cm, gawin po nating inches. Okay? So ito po 'yon. So feet po yung given, meron pong conversion ng feet to centimeter. I-convert natin to cm. Kapag cm na po siya, ito na po tayo. Okay? cm to inches naman yung gagamitin natin para po makarating tayo sa inches. Okay? So gawin po natin. 5 feet po yung given. I-multiply natin sa fraction. Una ito, 1 foot, 30.48 cm. Since foot po yung given, itong 1 foot denominator, itong 30.48 cm numerator. Okay, ganito po yan. Okay? So again, foot po yung ating denominator kasi given po ay foot. Okay, so that we can cancel. Okay, the unit na foot. Okay, multiply natin 5 times 30.84 cm divided by 1 ulit sa denominator. Okay, so we have 1 here. So multiply 5 times 30.84 cm is equal to 154.2 cm. Divide by 1 is equal to this number. Okay, cm na po siya. Okay, mayroon pong conversion from cm to inches. Okay, ito na po tayo. Cm to inches na po tayo. So ibaba ko po ito. Parang ito na po yung ating given. 154.2 cm. And then, gawin po nating fraction ito. Conversion from cm to inches. So cm po yung given. Okay, ibig sabihin ito pong 2.54 cm. Ito po yung denominator. At 1 inches, ito po yung numerator. Okay, so this will become, yan, 2.54 cm. At sa numerator, 1 inch. Okay, so sila po yung magpartner. So that we can cancel centimeter. Okay, then multiply natin. 154.2 times 1 inch, that is equal to 154.2 inches. Okay, so 1 lang po yun. So dagdag lang natin yung inches na unit. And then, i-divide natin sa 2.54. Okay? Then, divide natin 154.2 divided by 2.54. That is equal to 60.71. And then, yung unit po natin na inches. Okay? So, we have now 5 foot or 5 feet is equal to 60.71 inches. So, ganun po ang gagawin po natin kapag wala pong direkta na pag-convert from the given unit to the yung hinahanap na unit. Okay? So, hahanap po natin ng paraan. Okay, so next po natin ay units of weight. At ito po yung conversion table for units of weight. So, we have English system to metric system. 1 ounce is equal to 28.3 grams. 1 pound is equal to 0.45 kilograms. Okay, we have this number 1 example. How many pounds are there in 90 kilograms? So, ko-convert natin from 90 kilogram to pounds. Okay? So, ang given po natin ay 90 kilogram. I-multiply po natin sa conversion factor. So, asan po dito yung pounds to kilogram? Ito po, pound to kilogram. Since kilogram po yung given, dito po sa ating conversion table, yung 0.45 kilogram, ito po yung ating denominator. At 1 pound, ito po yung numerator natin. Okay? So, gawin po natin yan so that we can cancel kilogram. Okay? Then, multiply natin 90 times 1 pound all over or divide by 0.45. Okay? Ito po yung 0.45. Then, 90 times 1 pound. Okay? So, multiply 90 times 1 is equal to 90. And then, yung ating unit na pound. So, 90 lbs pounds yan. Then, divide by 0.45. And then, if you divide, that is 200 pounds. So, therefore, we have now 90 kilograms is equal to 200 pounds. Okay, for number 2 example, how many ounces are there in 84.9 grams? Okay, ko-convert natin from 84.9 grams into ounce. Okay, meron po tayong direct conversion. 1 ounce is equal to 28.3 grams. Okay, so ganito lang po yon. The same process, yung ating pong given ay grams. So dito po sa ating table, yung 28.3 na grams, yun po yung denominator. At yung 1 ounce na partner niya ay numerator so that we can cancel grams. Okay, so we multiply 84.9 times 1 ounce Okay, lagay natin. Divide by, sa denominator, 28.3. Okay? Then, if you multiply, 84, okay, lagay ko po, 84.9 times 1 ounce is equal to 84.9 ounce divided by 28.3. If you are going to divide 84.9 divided by 28.3, that is equal to 3 and then yung unit natin na ounce. So, 3 ounce. So, we have now 84.9 grams is equal to 3 ounce. Okay, so next po natin ay units of capacity or volume. Okay, so ito po yung conversion table for the units of capacity or volume from English system to metric system and vice versa. So we have 1 liters or 1 liter is equal to 1.06 quart, 3.79 liter is equal to 1 gallon, 16.39 milliliters is equal to 1 cubic inch. Okay, so we have this number 1 example. How many quarts are there in 5 liters? Okay, from 5 liters, convert natin into quarts. So, meron po pang direct na conversion from liters to quarts. Okay, 1 liter, 1.06 quarts. So, meron pong direct na conversion. Okay, baba po natin yung given 5 liters. Then, multiply po natin sa fraction. Gawin po natin fraction itong partner. So, 1 liter, 1.06 quart. Ang given po natin ay liter. Ibig sabihin, ito pong 1 liter ay denominator at yung partner po niya ay numerator. So, 1.06 quart, ito po yun. And then, 1 liter denominator. So that we can cancel liter. Okay. We can now multiply 5 times 1.06 quarts. Okay. Divided by 1. Okay. So, multiply natin yung numerator. 5 times 1.06 quart is 5.3 quart. Divide by 1 is ito din lang po yung maging sagot. So, we have now, na-convert na natin, 5 liters is equal to 5.3 quarts. Okay, for number 2 example, how many milliliters are there in 4 cubic inch? So, ito pong 3 na ito, na exponent, ang tawag po dito ay cube. Okay, cubic inch. Okay? So, i-convert natin from cubic inch into milliliters. So, meron po tayong direct conversion from milliliter to cubic inch. So, ito po yun. Okay, baba po natin yung given. 4 cubic inch is times. Gawin po nating fraction itong partner. So, cubic inch po yung given. So, ito pong 1 cubic inch ay denominator. Ito pong 16.39 ml ay numerator. Ganito po yan. Okay, so that we can cancel yung cubic inch. So, we multiply 4 times 16.39 ml divided by 1. And if you multiply 4 times 16.39 ml, that is equal to 65.56 ml. Divided by 1, ito po yung sagot. So, we have now 4 cubic inch is equal to 65.56 ml. Okay, so how about this last example, number 3? How many quarts are there in 10 gallons? Okay, ko-convert natin from gallon to quarts. So, meron po ba tayong direct conversion from gallon to quarts? So, we have, ito po, meron po tayong 1 gallon, liters po ang kapartner. So, wala pong direct na conversion from gallon to quarts. So, ano pong gagawin natin? Hahanap po natin ng paraan. So, first, since gallon po yung given, ko-convert po natin yung gallon to liters muna. Ito po yung ating first conversion muna. Okay? Okay. Then next ay, since liter na po yung maging sagot natin pag i-convert natin 10 gallon into liters, pag liters na po siya, ko-convert na po natin from liter to quarts. So, meron pong conversion from liters to quarts. Ito po yung ating pangalawa. Okay, na conversion. Okay, so sige po, gawin natin. So, 10 gallon, yung ating given, multiply natin. Convert natin muna into liters. So, gallon yung given. Itong 1 gallon, denominator, 3.79 liters, numerator. Okay? So, ito po yan. So that we can cancel gallon. So, we multiply 10 times 3.79 liters divided by 1. And then if you multiply 10 times 3.79 liters, 37.9 liters. Okay, so naging liters na po yung 10 gallons. Naging 37.9 liters. So ngayon, meron pong conversion from liters to quarts. Okay, para maidala po natin ng quarts. Okay? So baba po natin yung given na dito, yung sagot natin, 37.9 liters. So multiply natin So, 1 liter, 1.06 quarts. So, liter po yung given, itong 1 liter denominator, at yung 1.06 quarts ay numerator. Okay? So that we can cancel liters. Then, multiply natin. 37.9 times 1.06 quarts. Okay? Divided by 1. Then, if you multiply, 37.9 times 1.06 quarts, 40.174 quarts. So, divide by 1. So, okay na po yan. Okay, so, na-convert po natin from 10 gallons, naging 40.174 quarts. Salamat sa pod, kaibigan. Kung nagustuhan mo yung video nito, please click like and subscribe kung bago ka pa lang po dito sa aking channel.